So y'all know that meme that says getting kids ready, getting myself ready, whatever means we ain't coming no more. Have you like we ain't coming no more? That was just me just now. I'm trying to shoot a video for y'all to get some content out, because a bitch is a new mommy, so it is hard for me to get my life in order. And mom girl be tripping, and I did want to come out earlier today. Today is late afternoon, it's like 4 o'clock, and I wanted to leave my house by like 10 o'clock. Haha, jokes on you. I'm still gonna push this content and get this video out for y'all, because shit, I mean, you gotta start somewhere. So I was gonna give up and be like, I'll try again tomorrow, but we don't know how tomorrow will be. So let's just get it done today and suck it up, bite the bullet, go there with y'all. I have to get some coffee, because I gotta get my mojo going, because you know thrifting is a serious act. So you know it's a serious job, very serious job. So you gotta be on your P's and Q's when you thrifting. Although today's thrift is really not thrifting for clothes, I'll rummage through just like a little bit through the clothes, but I'm not looking for clothes. I'm looking for boots, lug sole bottom boots. I'm looking for like a tan version and a black version. I have seen some boots on Poshmark that I like. They're not lug sole, but I really like the brown on those. So, and I'm gonna show y'all where I'm going. Oh, I said I was going to get some coffee. I look a little thrifty-ish, and I probably can find them at a thrift store for like $10. So it don't hurt to go look. So I might not find the lug sole because it's so trendy right now. That who the hell would give it away? May I have a? Is that the 2? Yes, it is. Okay, can I have a medium iced latte? That's it for me. Do y'all have a strawberry frosted donut with no sprinkles?
Let me check.
Okay.
We only have it. Oh yeah, we have it.
You have it without sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have that? I don't need that.
That's all?
That's it for me. Okay. All right, let me get this coffee. Hold on, y'all. Woo! Lord, took a sip of that and that was like heaven. Look at sis in the back. Can y'all see sis? She trying to sleep. Look at sis. We pulling up to the Goodwill now, so I'll see y'all when I get in. I look like a chipmunk eating this damn donut. These the lug sole boots. And you see, they $59 on Amazon. I ain't doing it. These the brown boots that I saw on Poshmark that I thought were really cute. Let's do it. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse the hawk, because there was a lot of work. It's a lot of work thrifting with a baby. I won't be doing this too much. Oh, it's a small. This can't fit that. Definitely can't fit it now. I'll come back to it. It's amazing. Look at this head. It's a bob. That is a bob. That's coming. $7. But it's cute. Okay, so the Goodwill let me down.
Number one for hip hop and R&B.
There we go.
99.
The Goodwill let me down. So we at the Salvation Army. And let's see what they got. Not my size. Not my size. Alrighty then. It's a dud. Another Goodwill. Let's try it and see what the fuck they got. Because these last two stores were a dud. After this, I'm done. We're going to have to just try another day. We'll see. Okay, y'all. It's the next day. Yesterday was a bust. I ain't find nothing that I was looking for. Literally nothing. Now I did go in Salvation Army, and if I was a size 7, 7.5, then I would have been done in the Salvation Army, because they did have 2 pairs of shoes that could have went for what I was looking for, but they wasn't my size, so I had to leave them there. And now I'm still looking. One thrift store, because I went to all the ones that was by me, and the other ones, they're like totally opposite of each other, which they aren't far, but I just can't be doing all that because I'm on a time frame. Because I mean, if you got kids, then you know, especially babies, like you got about 2-3 hours to get what you need done, and then they showing out. So true. And that would have made you happy.
It sure would have.
This cute. Huh? Ooh, I should get this. Hurry up, god damn it. Oh, a bitch need gas. Okay, so we did get some things out the Goodwill. I got them boots. I got some other shit that don't have nothing to do with this video, but I'm gonna do a thrift haul. And then I end up getting some sandals. So I got 1 out of 2. So I'm gonna just leave that at that. I'm not looking for nothing else at this point, because shit, I'm tired. I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I'm gonna call this one a win. But anyway, my camera died, so I got to go. I'll show y'all when I get home what we got. Okay guys, so it's a few days later and these are the boots that I got. Of course they're not lug sole, but they have that thick sole. I guess they are lug sole, but just not that lug sole that I was looking for. And they're not combat style, they're more like a boot style. But these were only $8, so this was a good buy because they're really comfortable. The only thing is that they what I'm trying to say, the only thing is that they fit exactly like on my foot. They're not uncomfortable, but they fit exactly. So I can't really wear thick socks with them, which sucks because I like the thick sock look with these shoes. But I might just cut the foot part out and wear it as so like an ankle thing. And then the other shoe I got is these. Of course these look nothing like the damn boots that I was getting, and I couldn't find them. And that's the thing about the thrift store. These shoes are really cute, by the way, and I really like the detail on them. They're really comfortable. I tried them on and I love the olive green with the white sole and the little bit of orange at the bottom. So these are really cute and really comfortable. And once again, back to what I was saying about the thrift store, that's the thing I like about the thrift store is that's the thing about the thrift store is you might go in there with a set mind, like, oh, this is what I want and this is what I'm coming in here for, and you might not find it. And it can end up being really draining if you have in mind what you want and then you can't find it, and then you go into different thrift stores and you can't find it. So it can really be draining if you go in there with a set mind into the thrift store. So when you go into the thrift store, just try to have an open mind and look for things that you like. Don't really go, I know people say, oh, have a list and know what you want to go in there for, but that can be really draining if you don't find what you're looking for. I mean, you feel like it's a fail. So I don't really think that you should go in there looking for something specifically. I think that you should go in there and just look for whatever it is that you like, and of course have stuff in the back of your mind like, oh, I wanted something like that. But for the most part, just go in there and be creative and let your creative juices flow and be like, oh, what can I do with this, and blah 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 blah. Because, you know, that's the good thing about the thrift store, is that it allows you to experiment and it allows you to think outside the box. Like, you might find one shirt and it's really not it's really not how you would wear it. Like, how you buy it is not how you would wear it. So if you go home and do something to it, or if you go and put it with something different, or you go and look for inspiration and find out that you can do something with that shirt or whatever, pants or whatever, then, you know, that's what makes it all worth it. And that's the whole point of thrifting, okay? So that you can find shit that nobody else has, okay? So I mean, I'm not gonna call it a fail, but we didn't find what we were looking for. But I don't normally do that simply because of those reasons. So I will say the same things for you. Just don't go in there thinking, oh, this what the fuck, because that's the fuck, and no the fuck, that ain't gonna work. So keep that in mind. All right, well, until the next one, peace.